All right, so Space Invaders, Cursor versus Replit, Democrats versus Republicans, NoCode AI build. Let's get into it. We're gonna have a blast doing this. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Replit. I say we start with Replit. So let's just talk to it. So by the way, if you hit command on your Mac 3 times, it will bring up Siri and you'll be able to just talk to it. So that's a little hack for you guys out there. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. I want to build a modern Space Invaders game, comma, but I want it to be a twist on Democrats versus Republicans, period. We will work on the design components later, but first let's build out the game mechanics, period. I want you to recommend the best way to implement this game that I could play locally, and I want you to build it in such a way that we could actually not just get a glorified demo, but a full functioning game where we could select players, Democrats or Republicans, and then play multiple levels. And then when the game ends, we have a game over screen and a reset screen, period. I also want the game to programmatically create the movements and randomizing all the gameplay, period. Before we start coding, tell me what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, and why you're going to do it. Okay, guys, hope you saw that. Oops, let me stop. Okay, guys, hope you saw that. That was basically me talking to Replit. That was me going through and explaining exactly what I want and exactly seeing how this is going to work. This is one of the biggest things that you can do when it comes to prompting. So that was me prompting, but here's the best part of Replit. By the way, you can get the link in the bio, download it. Log in for free, they'll give you a bunch of credits. Actually, if you use my link, you get $10 free credits, so make sure you do that. And it'll buy me a cup of coffee at some point, hopefully. So I do appreciate that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna improve the prompt. Bang, we're gonna click it. It's gonna improve the prompt. Now it's gonna think, and now it's gonna give us a proper readout. Okay, here we go. A modern politically themed twist on the classic Space Invaders game featuring Democrats versus Republicans. The game will include player selection, multiple levels, randomized enemy, game over, fully functioning game mechanics, not just a demo. That's a very important part. This game will be built as a web application for local play, focusing on solid game mechanics. The style is clean with the interface. Okay, perfect. So let's start building. If you guys never seen a no-code build out, this is pretty much it. So now we're gonna allow Replit to go through and start building all of the different components, set up the dependencies, set up the environment, do everything for us automatically. This is the power of no code. So if you're watching this for the first time, I hope you enjoy. And that's weird. It said it failed. It's okay, it happens. It's probably just my internet right now, bogged down with this whole live stream. Here we go. So now it's gonna go in and it's gonna start thinking, it's gonna start analyzing, it's gonna start realizing, okay, what the hell are we gonna do here and how we're gonna do it. So as you guys can see, thank you guys for joining the live stream. We're building our first live game called Space Invaders, and we're also celebrating the launch of NoCode AI Army. I'm gonna create a plan for political themed. Okay, build the initial prototype. Let's do it. I wanna keep it simple. I wanna get the first prototype built, and then we're gonna get into all of the details on how to make it better, etc., etc. Okay, so now we're just gonna let Replit. I hope you like the magic of Replit. It just kind of works and you just have to sit here and talk and drink your coffee. So cheers to that. Let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, this is such a vibe. I love this part. Not that I actually know what the heck is going on here because I'm a no-code developer. I mean, over time, I've been seeing enough stuff. I've definitely got an understanding of how a lot of the stuff gets brought in. So you're going to learn that while you're getting into the no-code business. And if I haven't mentioned, thank you guys for joining the community. That's been the most fun. So what it's doing is it's installing a bunch of dependencies, a bunch of gaming things. So it's going to be Python, it looks like. And actually, you know what? Let me put up actually, let me send this in the group. Actually, I can totally share this. So copy link, and let's go into our group. I am live on TikTok and YouTube celebrating the launch of NoCode AI Army, period. Come check out the stream and vibe out while I build Space Invaders, but the crazy Democratic versus Republican version, period. Okay, Builder's Bunk. And then let me paste the link. You guys could check that out. Let me actually paste the YouTube link also, so we could share this with the peeps. Okay. And then let me drop a little thumbnail, because I actually did create a little thumbnail for this. There it is. Okay, that was pretty easy. I'll get the hang of this, guys. This is literally my first ever stream, so I do appreciate that for your patience, but we'll get there. Okay, let me just post this on Twitter also. If you guys haven't followed me on Twitter, give a follow. Been posting a lot of stuff on there. Can't believe we got 1,200 members in under 12 hours. Not even, like, yeah, 12 hours. Let's just say 6 this morning. Pretty crazy. Okay, here are the links, and let's post. All right, so let's keep building. Let's get back to Replit, see where we are. Oh, yes. Look at that, guys. So what was that, 2 minutes, 3 minutes? We got an actual game. So let's see. So let's play as Democrat or Republican. Oh man, the blue or red pill, really? This early? Now it makes the meaning of Matrix. Speaking of Matrix, check this out. It's all about the Matrix here. Okay, let's just go left to right. Actually, let's pick a eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Just a tiger by the toe. I don't know this damn song, so then I'm gonna say eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay. Oh, this I'm stuck. I should have done independent as the third option. That's really what I am, but let's not get into it. Okay, let's just do Democrat. Okay, here we go. Look at this. All right, guys, we already got action. So we got Space Invaders. It's working fully. Look at this. I'm shooting. I'm using my left and right cursor. And the game is live. Here's the next one. Next level. Oh man, this is so fun. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now, are the buttons properly styled in blue one? Yes, yes, it works. It works great. Let's now add the enemies who shoot at us randomly. Okay, so now we just go to the next step. Well, now we basically have the beginning. As you can see, that was one prompt, and we already have a game that we can actually play. Which, if you've never seen that in NoCode, that's the magic. You can literally do it. But we're not going to be satisfied with just a basic demo. Like I said, on this channel here, we build real things. So I'm gonna actually build this game out, so it's not just a whack ass little, you know, blue and red dots. We're gonna actually build something good. Okay, here we go. So it's gonna change it up. Here's the screenshot. So I went as Democrat first. Now let's try the Republicans. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Did you guys see that? That was way too fast. Yeah. I don't know how I'm still alive. Okay, so it's way too fast. Okay, it works, but the enemies are firing way too fast. Way too fast and way too much. Also, the enemies need to be flying around, like flying around. Wait, hold on. Did I forget how this game works? Hold on one second. Or those are the enemies. Never mind. I think I got it confused. Okay, it's fine. It works, but the enemies are firing way too fast and way too much. It's fine. Let's just start with that. Okay. Also, let's create a look for both for the enemies. Reference the image. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a screenshot of this actual image. Check this out. So here's the image. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this guy, take a screenshot of these guys, and then I'm gonna take a screenshot of this guy, and then I'm gonna put the credits and the scoreboard up here. Now we're gonna go in, reference all the images below. It has, you just talk to it. That's it. You got to just talk to it. For those of you guys that are familiar with NoCode, obviously this is common for you. But for those of you guys that have never watched this, you're literally just talking to like a real person. And then it's called an agent in Replit, and he's just going to go off and do it. And if he gets stuck, he's just going to ask you to do it, what to do next. So it has bad guys in white, good guys in green, also scoreboard and stats. Okay, and now we're just gonna take all those images and we're just gonna paste them, and that's it. Look at this. So now we got images in there, we got the direction, and now we just told it exactly what we wanted to do. And let's see if we can actually recreate this. Because what I want to do is I'm actually going to put, since we're talking Republicans and Democrats, I'm going to put a bunch of the political faces as the actual bad guys, and then have, like, you know, Trump shooting. And then when you flip to the Republican or Democrat, then it's going to go the other way. It's going to have Trump with all the cronies, and then it's going to have, I don't know, Biden, you know, doing it. So that's kind of the idea that I had for the game. But right now I just want to get it working, because then all I'm going to have to do is swap out the images. Because right now the most important part is that it creates these images, puts them into the game. That's the first part. And thank you guys for the follow. I just saw somebody follow it. I can't tell who it is, but thank you. Yeah. How can I join the NoCode AI Army? Peter, just hit the link and you'll be good to go. All right, here. Oh, this is all right. Like, check this out. We got some colors now. Oh my goodness, what? It's keeping score. Oh my god, are you guys watching this? Yeah. Okay, let's beat this level. There's the second level. Yo, this is crazy. Okay, hold on. Yeah, this is insane. This is absolutely insane. Look at the score. Okay, now let me die. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I got game over. Final score 5,800. Oh man. Okay, we're gonna keep going though. This is only the beginning. Okay, now. Okay. Can you, looks good, looks great. Can you randomize the bad guys and good guys, randomize the bad guys and change their location every level, and also as we progress I want you to make the levels harder, so potentially have them moving faster, comma, less of them, comma, or more of them, comma, flying around, and so on, period. I want you to gamify every level and make it harder and harder, period. You can also change colors of the bad guys and add effects, comma, explosions, and anything else to make the gameplay look more fun and modern. So basic language, I'm trying to kind of get inside my gamer head to try to create something that the AI could understand. All right. Thank you guys for watching. We're 25 minutes in and we have already a game built, which is wild. That keeps score, that has levels, and it's pretty amazing. And while it's doing that, I just want to again thank you guys for joining the community. It's crazy. We're about to hit 1,200. Let's see. Okay, 1,205 people in one day. Yeah, pretty wild. And everybody is vibing out here. I think a bunch of people actually just came from this link. I just sent it out in the group. If you guys want to sign up, make sure you guys just hit the link in the bio. It's absolutely free. And you guys could get in here, join the group. I said I was going to start charging after 1,000, but we literally did it in one day. So I'm like, there's no way I'm going to start charging. So I've moved it to 2,000 and so on. I'll probably not charge for a long time, if ever. The point isn't to get, money from you guys for a group. The point is for, to build stuff together, because the money will come. I'm not worried about that and I don't need it. I want to just make sure you guys are in here and we're all building. And I'll probably end up doing some stuff down the road, but right now I'm not concerned about any of that. So you can definitely, they always say nothing is free. Well, in this case, it is 100% free, and I like that. Let's see. So every time I hit refresh, more people come in. It's pretty wild. All right, let's get back to it. So we're using Replit. Okay, we got it. Here we go. So let's go as Republicans now. Ooh, we got a game here. Okay. So I can already know what the deal is. So right now they're basically recreating the same movement, but they're not. They're all kind of stuck together, as you guys can see. Okay, so let me die really quick. But we're definitely moving. As you can see, we're making huge progress. Okay, looks good, but the enemies are all stuck together and moving the same way at every level, period. I need you to think like a gamer and randomize movements, speed, velocity, gravity, and everything else, and make this way more fun to play as we progress through the levels. Also mix up the characters. Also mix up the enemy's characters. I gave you 2 designs. You're only using 1. Period. Okay? Hello, sir. Can you explain what is SaaS? So, David, what is SaaS? So, SaaS is software as a service. So, if you think of platforms that you use that are like SaaS, for example, is like if you're on Shopify, using Shopify to create a business for yourself, that's a SaaS. It's a service that they're offering as a, or I'm sorry, software as a service. That's what it stands for. So anything that you pay for, it's on a monthly subscription, that's a SaaS. So if you pay for a trading platform, that's a SaaS. If you pay for a automatic posting to Instagram, SaaS, that's what it is. Let me know if you have any other questions. Hopefully that explains it. And we're about to get the next version of the game. And I hope you guys are realizing how insane this is. So today I wanted to just do some fun and to celebrate the launch of NoCode Army. And what a better way to do it than to build one of the OGs. Okay, let's go Democrat this time. There we go. Oh my goodness. This is so dope. Can't get this last one. Oh yeah. Okay, they're still moving all left to right at the same time. So that is not... Oh no, they're not. They are mixing it up. Okay, the movement still does feel a little wonky. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I still laugh at this because of how insane this is. Okay, I just died. Okay, thank you, sir. Can I deploy the app using Replit as well? Absolutely, you can. Yeah, Replit is an all-in-one. They're just adding so much stuff into Replit. It's insane. And how quickly. I appreciate the likes, guys. Actually, if you guys are in here, can you guys hit the like? It would really go far for the algorithm. And we could get a bunch of people in here. I would love to just get 1,000 people in here. So many people joined today from the TikTok videos that I would love to just get this stream really going and get a bunch of people here. Send out the notifications to them. Let's play one more time. I hope you guys are watching this and enjoying this. And let me know if you have any questions. But we have a full-on game. Okay, so I have an idea. Again, we're modernizing this. We're going to add the whole Republican Democrat thing, trust me. Okay, but... Okay. Let me see. Basically, all the UI, UX, front end, back end, and a database with Replit. Yes, the 88, absolutely. You could do it all now. A couple weeks ago, when I was first, tinkering with this tool, it was so limited. But within weeks, I mean, they've literally added full-on back end. They've added so many different things. Okay, so here's a great thing. Check this out. So want to continue making changes. Dynamic enemy wave formation. Power up systems with temporary player abilities. So it's giving me suggestions on how to make the game better. Background effects, advanced particle system for more realistic explosions. Okay, I like that. Let's just add it. Let's just see what that does. Advanced particle system for more realistic explosions. I like it. Thank you, part of your community now. Appreciate you, 88. 88, the 88. I like that. Okay. Let's see if we get some more people. This is just fun to hit refresh today. I'm really been enjoying this because it's been such a wild day with the amount of people that I've joined. And I know it's only the beginning. Like, we're going to get this to 10,000 so quickly. We're going to take over. We're going to have such amazing projects. Look at this. Look how many people are in here already. Talking, posting, sharing. Let me pin this to the top, actually. And let me actually, you know what? Let me share this on my Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. See if we can get some of the OGs. Nice. Okay. Okay, what else we got? So, okay, here we go. We got a new version. So, explosion effects. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, look at that. We got little explosion effects. I like it. Oh, they're firing too. They just killed me. This is great. Okay, Space Invaders. Remember, the whole theme of this, though, is if you guys don't know, if you guys are just joining, we're doing Space Invaders, but we're going to do Democrats versus Republicans. And so first I'm building out all the functionality. Then I'm going to swap it out with all the funny faces of all the politicians on both sides. And then we're going to really go to town. And then you guys, I'm going to deploy this one for sure, so you guys could have a play. And also, if you guys join the community, I'll give you the source code if you guys don't have Replit, and you guys will be able to host it yourself and do it yourself. All right, let's have one more play. What I love about it is how good it's getting at not breaking. So once something works, it's really good at not breaking it. A couple weeks ago, when I was using these tools, things would break so fast. Atari, yes it is. Absolutely. We just created this game that you see right here in the last 26 minutes from start to finish. And we're just beginning. Okay, let me die really quick. Okay, there it is. So now let's see what it says. Okay, can you add power-ups? Power-ups. When would we need a power-up though? Oh, I have an idea. Okay, can you add power-ups that give a machine gun style bullets, and the only way it activates is after I hit 2 shots in a row that kill an enemy, period. And then if I hit 4 in a row, I want another different power-up that's even bigger, and so on and so on. All right, let's see how this works. Yeah, thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for all this stuff. Actually, I have a favor to ask you guys right now if you guys are on this live. Is I'm trying to get my YouTube monetized. That is one of the reasons I don't want to charge for this group at all, because I know once I get my YouTube monetized, then I'll be able to you know, just have that, and that'll be a great source of income for me. But in order to get it monetized, I definitely need you guys to watch some videos. So go check out some of my content, because I do want to get that going. So yeah, watch some of the videos. I got 20-30 minute really good videos about AI, no code, building out different products. So when you guys are done here, or tomorrow, later, whenever, just watch some of those videos. It would really go a long way for me to help me out. So I appreciate that. Okay, here we go. So we got a streak counter. Yeah, and you can see the reasoning behind it, the logic. So it says to implement, adding a streak counter to track consecutive enemy hits, create different weapon types based on streak levels. So it took what I wrote, translated it, made it work like an engineer, laid out the plan, and then now it's executing. All right, so let's try this now. So here we go. So there's 1, there's 2. Oh, we already got a power up? No, yeah, so we got a short power up. Let's see, here we go again. Okay. So I need to get 2 in a row. Nope, I died again. It's pretty hard, actually. This game was always hard. I remember playing this game when I was a kid. And, oh, there we go. We got some power-ups. I think I made the power-ups too difficult to get. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so hold on. I'm going to say, I made the power-ups too difficult to get, comma, let's change it and give me the power-ups when you think is the best for gameplay. Let's see what it does with that. That's actually going to be really, really interesting. David A, are you looking for a video editor? I'm always looking for people. Absolutely. Yeah, shoot me. Yeah, just join the group actually if you want. And inside that group, we have a section for hiring. Make sure you guys go in there. If you're part of this group, just go in there and tell us what skills you have. Tell us what your goals are. Tell us what you're doing. And the whole point of it with the community is we want to link people together. So yes, I would absolutely love an editor. I would love to take my long forms, turn them into short forms, and so on and so on. And also just cut really nice TikTok style videos. So you're hired. Let me just check out your work first though. But either way, post it in there, collab with other people. That's why I'm creating this group. This group isn't for me. This group is for all of you guys to have access to each other and have access to me and actually build things. All right, let's see. I have it on. Perfect. Oh man, what a long day. But now we got a game. Imagine thinking a couple months ago that you could wake up in the morning and in 30 minutes build your own game. Crazy life we're living in. Okay, let's see what these power-ups are going to be now. Yeah, there we go. Let's get the boosties. Give me the boost. Okay, so we got one power up. I want more though. Okay, I like it. So we definitely cooking. Okay, so now we have the basic game. Okay. So what I want to do now is I want to introduce, where is this group I want to join? Just hit the link in the bio. It's the first thing on the link tree. You'll see it there. Actually, you know what? Let me move the stream right here so I can see these comments actually. That'll be much better. Okay. Okay, so now what we want to do is now we want to create the whole kind of Republican Democrat thing. But how do we do that? So let me just think. So let's just ask the agent. Okay. Next, I want to turn this game into Republicans versus Democrats. How can we replace the enemies with images of political faces? Can you get them, or do I need to upload them? Okay, that's a good question. So now, again, I don't know the answer to that. I've never done it on here. So let's just see what it says, right? And if you don't know, you just have to ask. That's the beautiful part with this. Okay. Let's see. We got progress bar, console, web view, development, all tools. So what I do want to see though is I want to see the actual yeah, look at this. We have deployment, authentication, database. Pretty much everything is in here. That's the beautiful part. Okay, so let's see what it says. It says, I understand you want to add political faces as enemies in the game. For this, we have a few options. We can use a simple avatar library that provides political icons. We can create placeholder images and you can replace them later. You can provide the images. Beautiful. So now we just learned a huge thing. It'll create placeholders and then we just replace them. Simple. The safest approach would be to start with simple avatars and then you can replace them with actual images later. Let me implement a basic version using SVG avatars first. Go right ahead. I like it. I like it. Okay, so let's see. That was quick. Let's see what it did. Okay, so I see the R. So that's the one. So that's the placeholder. See, now we have a. Okay, I like it. It works. Can you select a party demographic and see the correct party logos for each party? Okay, let me try again. Yep. Okay, it works. Like it says. So it's going step by step and actually doing this. I like it. Okay, next. Hey, I'm just trying to die right here. Okay, here we go. Can you select? Okay, yes. Yes, it is. Can we now use images? Where do I upload the images? Okay, let's see what it says. Once you start playing with this, you're going to learn so much. It's absolutely insane. Because a couple hours on this, I mean, I've probably spent now, gosh, probably close to 500 hours, probably more, playing. And I've learned so much. Okay, here we go. So look, create a new folder for the political images. Images requirements, 40 by 40, transparent background, recommended PNG. Name them clearly. Dem 1, Republican 1. Let me create the directory structure for you. Okay. So this is how you're learning. So now we know, okay, we need images. So now we're going to put images into a folder. It's going to make a folder called assets, political. Yep, here they are. Static, excuse me. There you go. So see that right there? I've created a static asset political directory where you can upload the images. You can upload the image in two ways. Through Replit File Explorer. Click on the folder icon on the left side navigation. So folder icon, which is here. Okay, check this out. And now we're going to have, through the Final tab, above the editor, click Files, navigate to Assets, Political. So we got Static, Assets, Political. And then look at this. Add a file or folder. You guys watching? Amazing. Okay, so guess what? We need some politicians. Haha, that was easy. Okay, let's just start with the first ones. Okay, let's get some screenshots. So it says 40 by 40, but who's watching? All right, here's old by Don. We got a little. Let's just start with the top 4 favorites for the Democrats. Gosh, this guy looks like I don't even want to say. Okay, and then let's see. Then we got Republicans. Oh goodness, could be worse. Let's see some top heavy hitters. Obviously, we need, you know who we need first. The old Trumpers. People take these politics so seriously, it's crazy to me. Okay, hold on. Let's go. Oh yeah, you know we need some Mitch in our life. Mitch McConnell. Okay, let's get a better picture. This is gonna be funny. Okay, here we go. Let's get a couple more. I'll do a little Vivek. That's 3. And everybody would like to punch Pence in his, you know, what? Okay. So now let's just see. I'm just going to dump these in the folder. And then I'll clean them up. So right now, for speed to see if this works. So we got Rep 1. We got Rep 2, Rep 3, Rep 4, and we're gonna call this the shooter, so it's gonna know right away. Then we got Dem 1, Dem 2, dem3 and good old dem4, and this will be the shooter. Okay, here we go. So now we're gonna file, oops, political. Let's see if we can just drag them in here. Yes, we can. Right into politics. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna say, I added 8 images, 4 dem and 4 rep. Also, I named 2 of them shooters. This is who will be the gunner at the bottom. Simple language, communicating to an AI, crazy. Let's see what he can do. Let's see what he can do. And now we just went from a basic build out of just a fun game, and now we're actually going to have images, custom images built into our game that we can then deploy. And obviously we'll make the images nicer, but for speed and execution, I'm just going to put these crappy ones and see if it actually does it. But this was really big for you guys to learn, is like just communicate what you want and how to do it, because if you're stuck at any time, this is the beauty of the agent. Just ask it, hey, how the hell do I deploy this thing? How do I get this thing to work? How do I get this back-end system set up? And so on and so on. Okay. And thank you guys for the likes, the comments. Hope you guys are enjoying the stream. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Definitely give a like. Let's pound that like so we can get some more people in here to celebrate our big launch today. Oh, I think we're good. Wait, what? Let's see. Nope. Are the political images showing up correctly for both the player and the enemy? If anybody looks like I can start working on the new features. No, I don't see any images. So it's obviously an error, so it needs to fix it. I see the images aren't showing up. Let me check the end logs and fix the image loading issues. I noticed there are some errors in the console. Perfect. So I wouldn't be surprised. Oh no, they're PNGs. It should be fine. Thank you guys for the likes. Appreciate it. Thank you guys for the follows. And thank you guys just for enjoying this content, because it's, you know, it's different when, you know, when you come on and people really want to learn and build this stuff and are passionate like me. Is Replit agent as powerful as Cursor or Windsurfer ones, and there are monthly limits like those? Papa Show. Yes, I think it's better, but everybody has a preference. I like Cursor when I'm building out more bigger projects, or at least I did before. But now as I've been using Replit, I'm really liking it a lot more because of their implementation of all of these elements here, which is the all their tools. So authentication, their databases, all their storage, all their deployments. All right, guys, let's check it out. Nope, we still don't have the image, but we're getting closer. Okay, let's just see why it's not loading. Images are not loading, but the game works. Use the images in the political folder, you told me. Okay, let's try it again. We're about to hit 100 viewers, which is awesome. Thank you guys. Yeah, this is definitely a fun way to do this. And I'm going to definitely do these lives. If you guys join the group, our NoCode AI Army group, which started with 0 today, and we're up to 715 people, 722 people, which is insane. Then you guys are going to be part of our crew, and we're going to just be building a bunch of stuff. You're going to learn, you get as fast as you want. We're going to probably try so many different things in here, Like, look at this. 1,213 people have joined. And today alone, 844 people. It's kind of crazy, actually. But I love it because now I know that you guys are interested in this and I can really go full time, no limit, and get this thing to 10,000 people and so on and build the largest army of builders, which is what I want. Help you guys get started so then you can make dope projects and we can collab on dope things. What's up, Marcin? Glad to be part of the army. Let's go. I like your name too. 77 guns. Bang, bang. Okay. Let's see how our... Still not low. Oh, no, we're loading. There it is. Yo. Guys, we have a game. Oh, this is too good. We have a game. Do you guys see this? Let me go Republicans. There's the load. There's Trumpers. Let's make the images bigger. But here we go. This is too good. Okay, hold on. It works. Works great. There is a slight lag on the image load. On the image load, comma, also, let's make the squares twice the size. And also, instead of a square, make it a circle and crop the image in the circle. Yo, this is so dope. You guys saw that? It worked, right? Images are loading. We're getting close. We might finish it within the hour. So a full... If you guys are just joining, we're building a Space Invaders, Democrats versus Republicans. I think we're going to skip this cursor comparison. I might do this as part 2, but we're just basically building it with Replit AI today, which is a no-code tool. And we took Space Invaders, but now we've turned it into an actual game with no code. Just me talking to the agent. You guys have been watching the whole time. This is the whole process. This doesn't change with anything else. Like if we want to build a social media platform, I'll be talking the same way as you guys have seen in my other videos. If you haven't, check out the other videos in the channel. And then also if you want to build out a SaaS business, you just talk to it, figure it out, upload some images, and then tinker. That's what I call it. Just tinker with the agent, get it figured out. It can pretty much do everything. Replit AI is free. Mr. Boom, it is, if you use my link, you get $10 credit, which lasts you a while, 10 bucks. So you'll be able to, if you guys hit the link in the group, baby, come look at this. Come. Yeah, come check it out. Are you live? Yeah, I'm live right now. Just you guys come right here. Look at this. We got a game. We're about to play. It's about to load right now. Look at this. You ready? Look. Do you see what it says? So what do you want to do? Who you want to play as? Are we gonna play as Democrats? But look who we're shooting. All the Republicans.
That's hilarious. Yeah. That's funny.
Right?
Yeah.
Vivek is last. Oh, we got the boost up. We got the power ups.
Wow.
Wait. Now we got to see the other side. So play as Trumpers. And we got all the Democrats.
Oh.
We got Hillary, Obama, California Satan, and the rest. Yeah. Look at this. How funny is this? Oh man. Yeah, this is beautiful. I agree, man. How fun is this, guys? Yeah. And ladies. I keep saying guys, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Chichira, come here. Come meet the crew. I want you guys to meet somebody. This is my partner in crime. This is Lola. You guys gonna be seeing a lot of her, I'm sure. Yeah. This is the pup. She's a 13-year-old pit bull. Yeah. This is where she hangs right here next to me. Hey Marcin, that's cool. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. So let's play some more. Let's destroy some more. But you guys notice what it did? It actually converted the images. If you remember, none of those, not all of them had red behind the images. So it actually went in and redid the images. Okay. Okay. Oh, I got a really good one. Okay, here we go. We're about to level this up. Okay, hold on a second. We're about to take this to the next level, guys. So now, circuit, yes, works great. Yes, works great. But I want to add some, the power-ups they restart, it shouldn't. Yeah, correct. Yes, works great, but I want to add some fun explosions. No, not explosions. I don't want, we already have that. What was I gonna say? I want to add some fun. Shit, give me some ideas, guys. What should we do? Let's come up with some other fun stuff with this. Oh, I know what it is. I know exactly what it is. Works great, but I want to. Ooh, I wonder if we can do this. I want to be able to record my gameplay. That's kind of random, but let's actually see if we can do this. Yes, works great, but I want to be able to record my gameplay and share on social media. On social media. Oh, sound bites is actually good. I think that's a good one. Wait, so before we do this, let's actually do that. Can you make sound effects? Let's see. Let's see if we can make sound effects. But I do like what you guys are thinking here. After the third power up, shouldn't restart to the first in the name level. Should restart after 1v1. The power ups they restarted shouldn't. Yep, you're right. You're right. Yeah, all the mechanics will definitely get down and optimize. I'm just thinking of or the gameplay. I'm just thinking of other things we can add to it. Yeah, so throw a bunch of ideas out. Get some sound bites of them speaking. I think that could be fun. Okay. Obama out. I hope you add sound effects to the game. We'll use the web API through the Tone S library for synthesis and playback. For synthesis. There you go. So now we're just going to be adding sounds to our game. So we're going to have a sound manager now added to this. All right, let's keep going. We got sound. All right. It's me and you, Pence. It's just me and you. Yeah. Okay, so it works. Can you hear sound? Yes, sound works. Sound works. But can we use more laser sounds and also screaming sounds when someone dies? Use a different sound for each character. There we go. Let's try that. And the speed of the enemy coming down should be slower, so don't end up so fast. Yeah, I agree with you. So if you guys are just tuning in, we just built, or we are building, but we're almost done, a Space Invaders game right here. Space Invaders, but the Democrat versus Republican, using Replit AI, no code, and it's been a blast. I hope you guys have enjoyed the stream. If you can, give a like. And let's see, where is this being stored? Is it contained at all? Which ID are you using? So we're using Replit. Get some sound bites or Trump sound effects. Yes. Where is this being stored? So right now this is all within Replit, but it's all stored locally on my system. So here's all the files. You can see right here on the left side. So we have all these files here. And then what I'm going to be able to do is actually go in and then just deploy this. And the way you deploy it is you just go here and you go deployment. And then it'll be able to publish a live site. So I'm going to publish this for you guys to actually play on the end of the stream. Okay, here we go. Oh, something crashed. I like it. We got a crash. First one. Look how long it's taken for this thing to not work versus been working amazing, right? Game crashed. Fix it. The one thing with AI, I must say, is I'm definitely not a... Wait, I'll invest in fix the crash, but I'm definitely getting meaner and meaner to the AIs. Because when they can't fix something, I'm just like, just freaking fix it. Like, I guess that's good. I'm not like that in real life, so I guess it's good that I could do it with the AI. But as I'm doing it, I kind of think about it like, am I being too hard on the AI? Nice. I appreciate the likes. Yeah, if you guys could slam that like, maybe we get a couple hundred more people in here. This is my first live on TikTok with this, so I do appreciate it. We've had 112 people, and I know with how the views have been over the last 7-8 days, I have a feeling if I do this every day, it's going to go absolutely bonkers, and we're going to continue growing the community, which I talked about a few times for you guys. But today we've had 844 people join the community. And if you guys want to do it, it's absolutely free, 100%, no strings attached. The whole goal is to get you in here, NoCode AI Army, and start building the AI future with everybody. That's the idea. So we got a bunch of people coming in here, posting already. It's literally day one. And we're having fun. We're building all kinds of stuff. Whether you're building AI tools, whether you're building scrapers, whether you're building B2B, B2C applications, websites, AI, everything. That's the idea of the channel, and that's the idea of this community. And I do appreciate it that you guys are joining, and you guys have had such an amazing response. I cuss mine out all the time. Yeah, absolutely. All right, here we go. I think we're getting close. We got sounds. We got... So we can't do the yelling, but I'm sure we can just do the same thing like we did with the images. Right now we have sound placeholders, but what we're going to